Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. This is tutorial series number 29 here in Maharlikans code. Okay, we are still in this web development series guys, and also this sub-series now is a Yabi series number 9, which is the login authentication using this WebAssembly here in Maharlikans code. So okay guys, so we are about to start our what do you call this login. Now we are going to authenticate the user's account guys, because we have fully tested and registered our user's registration is actually now working and tested so far. So we have a quite decent user's registration here. You can have our own user's authentication guys. So right now we need to do this login or user's authentication guys now, which is the login page. We are working on this. Previously we have done this, but it's just a bare one. No authentication, nothing at all. It's just a plain HTML and then the WebAssembly. Okay, right now we need to continue this, and then we will validate from our Yabi users there, from the MySQL database, our table, which is the Yabi user. Okay guys, let's dive into this tutorial. Okay guys, welcome back. Okay, this is our last discussion guys. So we will I have users here to capture our time already guys. So we have a username called the Maharlikans in our previous discussion, and then I changed over the email address as well. And then we have some encrypted password. Now we have fully activated this user from our previous discussion as well. So in the is active, this is the key guys. The is active field, the column there is should be 1. The 1 is the indicator for user has been already activated fully from the user's inbox there. Remember our previous discussion guys. Okay, so he or she, the user itself, fully activate the user's account through email address guys. Okay, right now we need to try to log in this. We will validate using this one guys, if really can authenticate or not. Okay, this one is a very raw user's authentication first guys, and then we will enhance in our previous discussion again. So okay, we will continue, and then this is our previous discussion guys. This is just again this is a very raw one, but it's already authenticated using this login. Okay, so one more thing guys, I need to tell you that our on click here, no need for us to pass on all those username and password the object guys, but because this one is automatically, it will capture everything, the objects or the elements or the DOM elements in our whatever the HTML there, it will capture automatically guys from our WebAssembly. So that one is an older fashion. You need to specify like that, this password here, and then like you do that like this. Now it's no need guys. Okay, I just call those function itself, then it will automatically whatever the elements here, password or is site keep me, it will automatically capture in our main.go in our WebAssembly guys. So this is our login in our previous discussion. This is our the very first one for testing. So we have the username, password, all these things guys, it will capture automatically from there, whatever the elements in this HTML there, it will all capture guys in our WebAssembly. This is great guys, because Golang's the latest Golang, or yeah, it will capture everything, whatever is the DOM elements there. Okay, so also we have fixed as well in from the user's registration, so no need for us to specify whatever the elements you're going to pass through this WebAssembly. Okay, but no worries guys, I will after this video I will publish this into our GitHub, so that the latest source code will be published as well there, so you can grab all this source code guys. But of course, don't forget guys, Maharlikans. Okay, thank you for the support. Okay guys, just subscribe to my channel, guys. Okay. Okay, and stay active. Now we will continue, guys. So this is our user here, so we will create the users here again, but this is our login endpoint. So our login endpoint is here, guys. This is an existing one, but we just want to enhance it. Okay, but in our WebAssembly, this is our WebAssembly, which is the login. This is already exposed to our JavaScript there, our HTML, so already exposed from our previous discussion. So okay, now to capture our time, guys, I predefine all this information. We have a template already, guys, from our registration here in our previous discussion. This one is already perfected, which is the WebAssembly here. So we already we have this payload here, whatever you are going to throw to our API there. So we will pass on like the user's registration here, and then from our auth. Now we have these are all standard codes already, guys. Okay, so no need to do it again and again. Okay, guys, I just copy paste over here. These are all same structure. Okay, API response. The only thing, guys, matters for our side is the payload here, and of course the elements, the DOM elements here, which is we have only the username, password, and then the site keep me, which is this one, guys. Site keep me for 30 days or something like that. Yeah. Okay, so we have these 3 payload here so far. I think this is a decent enough. This is the most important part. Okay, so all the validation, the swal here. Now we have to change, instead of the register, we change to the another URL, guys, or the API, which is here. Is already existed from our previous discussion, but we just want to enhance this. Okay, so this is the very basic one only, the structure, guys, for our login user endpoint. So we need to enhance this, and then okay, so we will start over here. We just want to print something here, guys, and then but we need to continue, guys. Okay, so we will pass on all this the Yabi here. So we need to copy this one also, guys, so no need for us to redo again. Okay, I just want to copy this, and then this one is a structured one, guys. It's okay already. And then this one we just want to say like an this one is the Yabi, is the user's credential. Okay, credentials, user's credentials, credential payload. Okay, this is what we call user account, guys. Okay, we change this, so we don't have other these things. We only need username, password, and then of course this site keep me. I think no need this one, because this one we don't have in our users struct there, guys. So this one is okay. And then we need to validate, but of course we will create the login first, guys. I mean the login authentication here. In same thing with our here, guys. Okay, we just want to we just want this one actually same, guys. Okay, guys, we will continue on. So I already predefined all this, the basic one, guys, so no need for us to keep typing all these things again all over again. So this one all exactly same, guys, with our previous one. Of course we need to validate all those empty one, guys, and then the username, password, the same thing. And then we will return this new function called login user. Okay, we will return it with a boolean one, and then of course the error there. So username and password, you already have this experience, guys. Okay, now we will get the user's stored hash here, guys. So hash password. So what I mean is this one we need to capture whatever the password here, guys, stored in our MySQL. This is the hash part, the very long funny strings, guys. Okay, we can understand this one. All encrypted one is a one-way encryption. We cannot decrypt it back. So we just want to know that we just want to compare this. compare this whatever the hash stored in this specific user, which is this time is the Maharlikans username. So we want to compare this password here stored in encrypted by this Golang bcrypt, guys. Okay, this one is very secure encryption because this one is a one-way ticket only, guys. Okay, get the user stored password. So we want the p hash here, the local variable, and then we need the error, and then we need to get this get user password. We need to create this one first, guys. Okay, so I will get this, and then we need to create this one, guys. I think similar to, okay, hold on, guys. Similar to this one, guys. Okay, we just want to copy get user password. Okay, we need to get the user's password, guys. Okay, okay, hold on, guys. Gets the authenticate, gets the hash password stored in the Yabi user table. Okay, you need to get this hash password, guys. So we need at least the username, and then we will return it with the string, guys, not just and then we will return it with the error here. Okay, the standard error here, guys. So we want this update. Instead of update, we need to select, guys, and then the password from the Yabi user here, where username and is active. Now you need to validate this one, guys. This one very important. Okay, we need the username. So we need the username here, and then of course and then the username, we can probably enter this below the username, and then what we need is this active, guys. Make sure it's 1, guys, not 0. Okay, then we need to scan to fetch only 1 row for this query, guys. Okay, I need this variable here, so we will store this to this localized variable, guys. Okay, this one by default is a string, guys. Anyway, the password there is a string, so we just want to initialize it with the blank password. Okay, so dbcon, and then prepare, and then this one, okay, not nice. It's okay, and then we will check here, guys. Okay, this one we need to okay, guys, just this one no need. What we need is the error only, guys. Okay, this one, because this one is a select statement. So if error not equal to nil, and then again we need to check, guys, if this one if there is a specific no record, guys. Error no rows. Okay, this one is very important, guys, when you query. Okay, if return, then we will return with an empty password, guys, and then of course like that. That means this one is we just follow with this this statement, guys. Okay, the notes copy paste is very important, guys. Username is there. Okay, ink password, okay, is correct. Later we will check. Then select password from Yabi user where username and is active is okay, so you're true. Okay, maybe take time to reload. Okay, guys, we just continue on, and then we will return it with empty here again. This is a standard code already, guys. Okay, the structured one, you can just follow this along. Okay, and then nil, we will return it with nil. You just want to refresh first, guys. Sometimes the browser, I mean our Go PLS is not detecting our thing. Okay, dbcon not prepare. This one should be query row. Okay, this one is query row. Okay, very nice. So we can continue on, guys. I need to search this. Okay, so now we have this function there. Okay, so we will continue with this, and then what is this? dbcon. Okay, we need a dbcon username. Okay, so we have the value ready, guys, so we can continue with this. If error not equal to nil, and then we need to favorite error log. Sorry. Okay, and then return it, return with false, and then errors that new. Saying that oops, error getting users credential. Okay, please try again. This one is a common one, guys. Okay, we would like to print this one fmt. We just want to know, guys, if this already contain or already successfully captured or get the hash password, guys, from our Yabi user table there. And then of course our original password, we would like to capture this as well, so that we need the plain text password, guys, from the user's input there. I just want to know this password. Okay, this one we can copy properly. Password. Okay, we just want to, from this one is the key in, guys, from our input from the user. Okay, so we have successfully get this. We will just continue on, guys. What's next should be, we need to match the password now, guys. Okay, match the two passwords. Okay, just check if it's verified or not. Just saying like that. Okay, so we have this password match, and then error. So we will check this. Okay, guys, hold on, guys. So we use our favorite Sakto here, guys. You can just download it or go get it from our GitHub, IT Republic there, guys. So this one we have done in our previous discussion, guys. So we make our life very easy, guys. Okay, because we made this into a package and publish it to the GitHub. So you can just go get this, and then you can use it freely in your project. Okay, don't forget the Maharlikans, guys. Thank you. pw hash. Okay, so we will now what this function is doing is it will compare the plain and then the hash, guys. This one will automatically when you go get this, and then it will be crypt, guys. It will this one is from the Golang built-in library, guys. This one is more secure, again, very secure. Okay, they are using the bcrypt, and then they just need this what they call the plain password input from the user there, from that page here. Okay, they would normally, the user will key in originally the plain text, and it's not an encrypted password. And then we will what we're going to do is we need to compare it with the compare hash and password. So they will complain the plain password, and then the compare it with hash. This one is automatically, this bcrypt function here will convert this plain text into a hashable password. So, and then what we're going to do is this will return a hash password, guys. Okay, whether this one is true or not, then this one is already hash. Automatically they will detect, guys. This one is built in from the Golang, so they will compare both this plain password and then this hash password from our MySQL, this hash password here will automatically validate from this bcrypt compare hash and password, guys. Okay, no need to worry much about this. You can just download this helper from the Sakto, guys, our own helper function there. Okay, so make our life more easier, guys, as a developer. Okay, I encourage you and I recommend you to make it as a standard package, guys. Okay, so we will continue on. If error equal to nil, okay, then we will check it here. This one, okay, we need to log again, guys. Okay, then error, and then we will return. We'll just copy this one, copy this. Okay, and then we will just say oops, hash password, please try again. Okay, just want to shortcut a bit. Hash password error. Don't tell anything, guys, about this one is a publicly display, guys. Okay, just a generic message that is good enough. Then we will be having this encrypted, and then this one is good enough, guys. We will just print this out for testing. Okay, we'll just come here. Okay, we have done. And then here as well, we need to call that Yabi that we just recently called, guys. So okay, guys, to catch our time, I added this call our new function, which is the login user, guys. We just read the normal connection string, and then user account, this payload here, and then of course this site keep me. So later part we will enhance further our login there, guys. So we just want to authenticate properly if from MySQL table there, the hash password stored per each user, and then we will compare it with the bcrypt compare and hash password, guys. So we will check if it's valid or not, then we will authenticate. Then we will go to the dashboard there. Okay, if this return with the is account, because our own function will return a boolean, guys, either true or false. So if it is successful, it is already validated, and then we will say something, or we will redirect this one, auto redirect to the dashboard, guys. Okay, this one is just a bare one, guys. Okay, we don't have the dashboard yet, but it will throw a 404 most probably, because we don't have this dashboard yet. We will create this static page just to show you that these protected pages we will enhance further, guys. You cannot access directly in the future, guys, once we have done this authenticated pages. So it's not a public page, but it should authenticate prior you can access to these pages. But right now we don't have that, so we just also we don't have this password. We don't have this page as well yet. Okay, or URL. Okay, so we will just continue on, guys. Okay, so we will be try to run main.go. Let's see if any errors, guys. Okay, don't have. Okay, guys, no errors. And then of course we need to build our WASM, guys. Remember that we need to set goose is equal to JS. Remember that you need to be in your directory, guys, in your WASM file. Then you can set goose, then set go args is equal to WASM, and then you can to catch your time, guys, I prepare this. Okay, we try to build if any errors there. Okay, no errors, so it's good to go. Okay, so we have this hash password, guys. The password for this one is letter A, guys, only letter A, only one single small letter A, America. Okay, so we just want to load this. Now, guys, we want to authenticate. The username there is Maharlikans. Okay, but we key in wrong password first, guys. Oh, this one is I entered correct one. Sorry guys, I should key in the wrong ones. Okay, we validate again. take two direct. Okay, we will continue. We will try this admin, guys. This one not exist. Okay, only Maharlikans user here. We will try this. Okay, so user's authentication failed. There's some simple message or generic message, guys. Error getting user's credentials. Please try again. Okay. We have Maharlikans. Okay, we'll try this Maharlikans. But the user will key in wrong first, guys. Okay, still the same. But I key in. We need to see the log first, guys. Okay, our log here is I key in the username Maharlikans. The password is double A, and then its site give me is false because I never tick that remember for 30 days. So the hash password, guys, is totally captured from our MySQL now. Okay, so this is the hash password here. So we have that users here. Where is that hash password? So we password hash. So this one we capture also from our MySQL, guys. So we already captured this directly from our MySQL table. Okay, and then after that the plain password is okay 2. So I key in the single A password, guys. Then I tick this. This one will later we will enhance, guys. We don't have yet this one. Our main goal is to validate whatever is here is correct or not, guys. So okay, let's see. So this one is good indicator, guys, because we are already redirected to the dashboard there. That means our password is matched with our record from our MySQL user, guys, from this Yabi user table. So the both match this password hash here, and of course from the user's plain password, which is a single small letter A. Okay, so this one is a good indicator, guys. So we have successfully validated our user's authentication, okay, with the very simple steps there. And now of course a very basic one, just to get the hash password there and then check it with this check password hash. Okay, so that's all for today, guys, and that's all for today, guys. Okay. Okay, that's all for today, guys, and I hope you enjoy here in Maharlikans code regarding this login authentication. We have successfully authenticated our users, compare it with our MySQL record for each user, and then of course from that input box there, from the user's page there, the login page, which is the plain password. So if this both password that will be this plain password will automatically convert into a hash password, guys. If this hash password is compared it with the stored password is matched, guys, these are all done by the Golang bcrypt compare and hash password, guys. So these are all the default libraries there. Then it's a good indicator that we have successfully compared these both hash password, guys. That one is so simple and faster, guys. So we all the Golang's inner what I call this the internal process to authenticating this hash password is very fast and more secure, guys. This is a one-way password hashing, guys, so no way we can decrypt the password with the original one. Okay, so I hope you enjoy our tutorial series here, guys, here in Maharlikans code. Here in our we will enhance that login user authentication, guys, so no worries. So we will enhance also the protected pages, which is the dashboard or whatever the pages inside or whatever the protected pages there. We will wrap it with the authenticated or whatever this function that it will wrap that requires authentication. There's a lot of things to do with this login process, guys. Okay, so just keep watching here in Maharlikans code, and please support Maharlikans code, guys, by subscribing to our channel, to my channel, and then please stay active into my channel as well. Okay, guys, in our interesting part, which is the shout out section for our Maharlikans code to honor our viewers here. Their names is there are two who recently commented on my previous video, guys. These are who is this? Joey Leo. Okay, the message or the comment will be flashed in our screen, guys. And thank you, Joey Leo, and then of course the Kartik Krishna. Thank you also, Kartik, for commenting a nice comment here in Maharlikans code. So both of you, thank you so much for subscribing, and thank you for watching my video here in Maharlikans code. Thank you so much, guys. And for those of you who want to be shout out, please comment down below so that I can honor your name and mention your name here in Maharlikans. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. May God bless us all. Thank you, and bye bye. Stay safe, everyone.